Today on this James the Bike Guy, we're taking a look at Shimano's new 105/11 speed rear derailleur, the RD-R7000. This is out of the new R7000 group set, which is an updated 105, and it takes a lot of its cues from the higher level R9100 or R8000 Ultegra. So this rear derailleur utilizes Shimano's Shadow technology, and that's where the B-link here is actually extended and runs separate from the rest of the mechanism for the derailleur. That allows manufacturers to either use an extended derailleur hanger like some do that's direct mount into this derailleur, or otherwise it allows the derailleur to sit a little bit further back and increase the max tooth capacity without removing shift quality. Now, when we look at this extended B-link, you can see that it's a separate mechanism here, and it helps make the rear derailleur a lot lower profile. So this derailleur is, super narrow, and it's going to help control the chain so that it's going to be a much quieter operation. A lot less chain slap against the chainstay of your bike, and that's going to help it out. Now, some other features about this is the cage down at the bottom. This is an aluminum cage. Now it's painted black, and it's going to hold kind of its conditioning quality for quite a while. When we look at the parallelogram of the derailleur, it's got nice smooth actuation thanks to some floor-coated bushings, and that's going to allow this to really be able to operate smoothly. You'll also see that you're going to have your high and your low limit screws, and then adjustable bead tension right here, and that's going to set up where that shadow link is going to lock out. Now, I like the barrel adjuster on this derailleur. The barrel adjuster feels nice. It's also got this one position that kind of pops out, allowing you to get a good feel for the barrel adjuster, and it's going to make it really easy to get it set up. Now, this one that we're looking at here is the GS version. So that's the longer of the two cages. It comes in GS or SS. And you'll see right on the bottom, it's going to say Japan GS. So this is made in Japan. This is the longer cage version. And that's going to allow this derailleur to operate and control a cassette anywhere from an 1128 range all the way to an 1134. The derailleur will also have a total chain wrap capacity of 39 teeth, allowing you to have a 16 tooth jump in your front chain rings and still be able to run this derailleur. So now that we've taken a look at many of the features of this Shimano R7000 derailleur, let's go ahead and place it onto our scale, and we'll see what this guy weighs in at. So this R7000 derailleur in a GS format is going to weigh in at a pretty light 227 grams. Well, thanks for watching this video on the Shimano R7000 rear derailleur. Go ahead and let me know in the comments down below what you think about this derailleur, and of course, go ahead and leave a like on the video and hit that subscribe button. That way you can see more videos like this into the future.